Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Anker Soundcore Sleep A20 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons, basically. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working properly, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working, or the right earbud's not working, so you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you just decide you want to get a new set of earbuds because you can't get them fixed, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a nice set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start, delete all the pairing history off of them, and set them up like a new set of earbuds, we can go ahead and do this. It's really easy. We just need to put our earbuds back in the case, like so, leaving the case open, making sure there's a decent charge on them. Go ahead and delete the pairing off of your phone or whatever like that, because we're going to be pairing them as new. And then we're just going to press and hold the button on the charging case for 10 seconds, keeping an eye on these lights down here in the front of the case. And once these lights flash 3 times, that will indicate that the reset is successful. You can let go of the reset button or the pairing button, and then go ahead and just set these earbuds up like they're brand new.